Hello once again, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. I am here today, you guys. Today is my first wig haul from Temu. So I wanted to try out their wigs, and if you want to see, you guys keep watching. So guys, today I have two wigs here from Temu. So I'm not going to show my address, but these are the two wigs that I ordered, and they are very affordable, you guys. So I saw some people hauling wig from Temu. Now this is my first haul from Temu in wigs. I do have haul from Temu, but this is my first one from Temu where wig is concerned. So I just want to show you. So the first one I have here, you guys, I have these wig caps from Temu. One size fit all and install in a wig cap. So I have two pieces of these wig cap, you guys. So I want to open and see how these caps look. Now they are about $1 something for these wig cap that I am going to show you today. And yeah, so this is how it is here. I have two comb, and these are very thin, but they are, I really do like them. This is how there is, you guys. So I am going to fit on this one and my head and take off this one. So let's do this and then come back. So guys, this is how the wig cap has fit on my head. So let's talk about these wigs. Now, these wigs are really not a bad price for them. So let's first talk about this one. This is a darker color wig here. And this is how it is, my friend. I don't know, hopefully this thing fit. This is one of, I don't really have short wig. All my wigs that I have are very long wig, but I choose this one here because it is short, and sometimes I do need like a short wig to go out with instead of a taller wig. So this is the wig, you guys. Don't know how this is gonna fit on my head. Let's pull this off. So this is how it is. It's very shine. The hair is really shine. So let's show you what the inside look like. So this is how the inside of the wig look like, my friend. You have a piece at the back here where you can use, for instance, to size the wig on your head. There's no comb. There's one on the back, and I think one on, is it? No, just one on the back, yeah. So this is how it is. This is the inside of the wig here. And there's no comb on this wig except for the thing that they have to side it. So let's do this. I'm not going to lock the back. So this is the back of the wig here, and this is the front. The only thing I do not like, this wig is like very shine. So let's take off my glasses. Wow, I like it. It's really, I like how it looks. So I am going to use my finger here, and I am just going to play with the wig. So I'm going to play with the wig here, and once you have this, all you have to do is just use your finger to play with it. So this is how I am going to play with this wig with my finger here, and it does fit really nicely on the head. I like how it fit. So I like how it fit. I like how you can use your finger and just fix it. You don't have to use a comb or a brush or anything, and it really fit nicely. And the back, it has, you know, sometimes you have on a wig and it's really hurt your head because it is too tight. Maybe it's because I didn't put on this the back piece, but I am loving this one here. So let's get into the price, you guys, and I'm gonna tell you what the price of this one here, because I tried to go as cheap as I could, but I really do love this short black wig here, and it's really nice. So the only thing that this wig is so shine, like really shine. So, and it is synthetic anyway, it's non-human hair. So let's see what this wig costs here. So I'm gonna show you what this wig costs here. Okay, so this was $11.69. So this was the wig, you guys. This is it. This is the wig, how it look here. $11.69. So you can play around with it, do what you want to do with it. If you like to wear it this way, you can wear it this way, or if you like to do a side cut, you can also do a side cut, and just play with it. Just play with it how you want it, to make it look but I do like it. I really do like this wig, you guys. It's a synthetic wig. It said it's short straight layer hair wig, synthetic. So this is a synthetic hair, and I really like this because sometimes I want to go out and I don't want to use like a tall wig. I would just want to go in something short. It just really look nice, and I am in love. So I'm gonna just rock this, you guys. I'm gonna rock it. I like how I can use my finger to play with it, use my nails to play with this wig to look how I want it to look on my head. So this is it. So let's show you the other wig that I did order from Temu. So this one, I am looking to see what it comes with, but this is the second one that I did order from Temu. And this one also comes with a wig cap. One of those mesh wig cap. I'm trying to see. Okay, so this is the cap that this one comes with. One of those new fashionable style wig cap. This is it, you guys. So let's show you the other one here. And this one is a center part wig, and this one is a center part wig, my friend. So this is how this wig really look. Really, it's not a lace front, but I am trying to see if this really drops a lot of hair, but this is how it look here. So this one don't also have a comb. So let's show you the inside of it. It doesn't have a comb. It just have two things here where you can clip at the back to adjust to the wig, and just have a meshy wig cap that come with it. So let's see how this one look on my head. And I am going to I like this color, so that's why I choose this color. And you can see it is a center part I have here. So let's try this one out and see how it really look. Okay, so the thing about this wig, look at this, you guys. I think right here, so this is a center part wig here. Oh wow, it's really, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's see. I don't understand what is this here. I think this is the thing that they put at the front of the wig here, and doesn't really, I don't know. This is it, but the for me to wear this, I have to put like some makeup there. Let's go and get a comb and then I will return. Okay guys, so this is how the wig is. Although it's in this color, it is very shine. It's synthetic. For the cut here, I'm not really a fan of the cut, so for me to wear this, I would have to put some makeup in it. I think this wig shed a lot. I'm not sure, but I think it's also shed a lot. It's synthetic, yeah, but I don't like the material of the wig here. It's not, but for the price point, what do you expect? I'm gonna tell you the price of this wig here. I like center part wig or bang, so I do like a center part, but this is how the top of the wig here is, and yeah, so this is how it fit. It fit nice on the head. It's just that this part of the wig do not suit me. So for me to wear this wig, I would have to put some makeup inside of it here to cover this black part of the wig. It is a synthetic. It do, I don't know, it's drop. It's look at this. You can see how much this shed. This wig shed a lot, you guys. Really shed. Really shed a lot, and that's I don't like. I mean, I have affordable wig, but I never bought a wig that shed this much like this one here. This one shed a lot here, you guys, really a lot. So let's talk about the price of this one here that I got from Temu. So I'm gonna go into my phone and pull up the price of this wig here that I do got from Temu. So this is a 26 inches umber brown long wig, and the price of this was $12.14. I think that I got it on a sale. It was $15.85. It's a 26 inches amber brown long straight wig, synthetic, middle part hair wig, non-lace hair wig for a woman. So this is how it look, and the thing here, this is it. This is how the wig look here. It looks better on her than me, because I don't even know if the same wig that she have on, but I'm gonna show you. I don't even know. They have different color in this wig here. I chose it because I did like the color, but it does shed a lot on me, you guys, really a lot. It does shed. 26 inches, I can manage it. Even if you're going out and you have to, like, sometimes you want to catch a wig in one, you can catch it, but this is how it look here. I have to, here is the problem for me, and the shedding. It's really shed. You can see here, it's really shed a lot here on me, and I'm trying not to worry or think about it, but if you know how to fix this here, I guess you can get wear from it. This, what's this? What? Look at this, you guys. You see it? You can see this part here, cock up. I don't know. You can see this part of the wig here, cock up. So if we have to just cover this part of it, and I just don't, the piece that on the front here, that's I'm thinking about. It's not, I can catch it up like this and wear it most time anyway, but it's soft. It's just that it shed. It really shed. You could see the amount of shedding that I show you. And I still have more on me, but it does shed. And it's easy to tangle. So I have to get something that need to detangle this wig. But for the 2 wig I got, I like the color of this a lot. I think it suit me. For the shedding I don't. For this part of the wig here, I'm not sure what this is, this piece of thing here from the wig cap. I think they never really do like a good job with this part here. They shouldn't show in black here. It's not a lace wig, it's a synthetic hair. It's 20-inch long, 26-inch long. Overall, I do like it just because it sheds so much, and I know I can fix it the way how I want it, so I can wear it. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video you can be notified. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. See you soon, guys. Have a great day, and thank you for watching again. Bye.